A few days ago, the upcoming Honor 600 and Honor 600 Pro leaked in official-looking renders, and in the meantime the former was also spotted on Geekbench rocking the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. Now, Honor has officially started teasing the duo in Malaysia. Honor 600 Pro renders show an iPhone 17 Pro-like horizontal camera bar and orange color option, featuring a metal frame and a glass back. Probably refers to a dedicated AI button on the side. The predecessor Honor 500 series looked similar to the iPhone Air. New smartphone featuring a 6.57-inch display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The leak suggests that the device may pack a significantly larger battery, potentially reaching around 9,000 mAh capacity. With 80W charging support, the device also offered a 50-megapixel front camera and a dual rear camera system comprising a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The company hasn't unveiled the 600 series official launch date, but that's undoubtedly coming soon, so stay tuned. The Honor 600 series could debut as early as June this year in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.